Hello, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today I'm going to show you what can be harvested in July in Zone 8B. This is my garden and let's just take a look. It is definitely time to harvest the raspberries. And if you look here, most of the peas have already been harvested, but there's still a few left. This is yarrow and it is in bloom. It can be harvested now and probably should have been harvested a couple of weeks ago. Here we have celery, and it can be harvested now. You can just take stalks from the outside and let it continue to grow, or if you're canning it, you can harvest it now. These are not hard and fast rules for July, just some things that will probably be ready if you're in Zone 8B in the month of July. Here we have basil, which is flowering, so definitely get that harvested. Okay, and for me, we have strawberries. I grow everbearing, so these kind of go all summer, but definitely in July we can get some strawberries. Now these are potatoes, and they are not ready to harvest yet. However, usually by the end of July, the last week, these will have turned yellow and they will be ready to harvest. Okay, now this is a fun one. This is broccoli, and I have been harvesting it already. You can see some of the stalks are taken off there. They'll continue to grow a little bit, but definitely by July, these guys are usually ready to be eaten. Here we have cabbages. This will definitely be ready to harvest this month. And here we have cauliflower, and I will be actually harvesting all of my cauliflower and processing it today. This bed here is garlic, and it is really about ready to harvest as well. You can see that the bulbs are quite large, and the bottom leaves, I guess, are starting to turn brown. That's a good indication that your garlic is ready to harvest. Here are the shallots, and these are going to seed, as you can see, and they are definitely ready to harvest now. I'm going to get these all pulled today to dry out in the shed so we can eat them. Now you can leave a few of these for the bees because they really love them. I might leave a couple. Maybe I'll leave a couple. These are blueberries, and although they're not all quite ready yet, they definitely will be by the end of July. And the chamomile grows about all summer long. If you don't harvest them, though, they'll die back. I like to continue to harvest them, and they will just continue to put out more flowers till the end of the season. And there we are, friends. This is the July garden. It is the beginning of July. We're in Zone 8B. Lots of work to do and a lot more work to come. Thank you for watching my channel and this video, and we'll see you next time.